How to add all liked songs to a Spotify playlist on mobile and PC. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Launch your Spotify application. Then go to your library. Go to liked songs. And all your liked songs will appear over here. And then all your liked songs will appear over here. After that, on your right hand side of the song, you will find three-dot line. Tap on it and you will also see the option to add to playlist option. Simply tap on it and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.